Hi, Jess! Happy 5th monthsary. It's been 5 months when you took my heart. No, just kidding. Happy monthsary. Thank you for all the things that you've done for me. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagawa mo para sa akin. Tinagalog ko lang. Thank you kasi you've always been there for me. Thank you kasi naging mabuti kang kaibigan sa akin. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan. Papasalamat ako dahil nakilala kita. Alam mo naman na yung kwento ko, lahat ng skreto ko, alam mo, sobrang mahalaga ka sa akin. At kayo ng dalawa ni Sai, alam niyo yan, mahal na mahal ka kaya. Happy monthsary, I love you!